When it comes to zip ties, are you tired of getting more than what you grab for? Or do they always fall to the ground when you grab your favorite tool? Or maybe you just find it hard to find the perfect place to put them while you're working. Then do I have a product for you? Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance, and today's tool review, I have a product that I came across just while searching on Amazon. I was looking for tools, wasn't specifically searching this product out, but it came up as a product suggestion. It was either based upon, my search history or based upon my purchase history. I don't remember, but it came across, and sometimes I'm a sucker for those. Sometimes they get me with that. It's kind of like those late night commercials, and you see a product that who would need that thing, but next thing you know, you own a chainsaw to make jigsaw puzzles with. And that's kind of whenever I came across this, I thought I use zip ties all the time. Use them a lot whenever I'm doing low voltage. Maybe you're a person in that line of work and you use them a lot as well, but I use them for all sorts of things. It's basically like a third hand for me to hold something, whether it's sometimes I might use them to hold up MC cable until I can get the fastener for the strap that I'm wanting to use for that, because again, working by yourself, you don't have someone to hold things and hand you things. So I will use these as a temporary basis a lot of times and then make a more permanent solution. But nevertheless, I have to carry them with me whenever I'm doing my work. And typically when I carry those, I'm carrying those in my MP1 because this is whenever I'm doing high repetitive work. I put this on my side. I keep the main tools that I need for whatever that job is. But then sometimes I find it hard to find a spot, for zip ties because this is a small pouch. That's the reason why I like it. But the downside to that is there's not a lot of just extra room to stick stuff. So sometimes I'll just start shoving zip ties down in here or on the back side of where my pliers are or whatever it might be. But then I do actually run into those problems, maybe not to the extreme as in the video at the beginning of this, but sometimes, you'll go to pull one out and next thing you know, it pulls 3 or 4 out and a couple fall to the ground. Or when you pull your tool out, if it's in the same pocket, a couple come out and they fall to the ground. It may not be all of them, but you do have that problem with these. And I think that this is going to be a decent solution for me and it might be helpful to you, so I wanted to share it with you. But this product is brought to you by DMTT is what it says that the manufacturer is. This is the origin of where it's made, but it's really just a spring-loaded clamping mechanism to hold zip ties, but you could use it for something else, I would suppose. They come with these clips on them to where you can just clip those onto your bags if you want to. So whether you wanted to put it on a pouch or whether you wanted to put it on a bag like that, you could do that as well. It could be able to be used in either way. You could probably even just clip it directly onto a belt or something like that, or your keychain, whatever you want to do with that. I actually just zip tied one to my MP1 pouch because I'll probably leave it on there because it doesn't take up a lot of room, but it's easily accessible for me to add the zip ties to that and to use it in the way that it's supposed to be used. So again, it measures about 3 by 3 at its widest points whenever you go and you measure it. That's the one thing that I do wish. I wish that it was a little bit bigger than what I expected it to be when I got it. I wish they'd come out with a mini version of it so that it wouldn't be so big, but it's big enough to hold. I have a pack of 100 zip ties here. I mean, it opens up enough that you could put all 100 of these zip ties down in there and store them in that way. So I guess that's probably the reason why they decided to make it big, because they're calling it a zip tie organizer and a holder. So if you wanted to, when you buy a pack of zip ties and you get them out, you could just store them in here and then they're always going to stay in there as you pull them out. So if you want to organize a lot of zip ties, the size would be good, but I wish they'd come out with a small version to put onto your pouches. So again, it just works fairly easy. Doesn't matter how many zip ties you put in there, but it depends on what size zip ties you're using. So again, I could see uses for this for people in the HVAC trade. You get those big long zip ties for duct work and you're crawling through a crawl space. you could put some in here and put that on your belt, and then you don't have to carry those zip ties with your hands. You can now just put those in here and crawl around with it, and you wouldn't have any problem with that. So again, you just load them in like this, and then as you let go of that spring-loaded mechanism, it just clamps tight. So it's basically the same thing as having a bunch of zip ties in your hand and squeezing your hand like this, and then pulling one at a time. And then as you pull out some, you know, you'd have to close your hand up more and more. Well, that's the same way that this works. It's basically a squeezing of your hand around the zip ties, and then as you pull some, it just continues to get tighter. So it will stay tight on all these. They're not moving at all, and I can pull one at a time. And even whenever you get down to that very last one, it's still holding it tight to where it's not loose. So again, it will hold, I would say, up to 100 of your standard zip ties, and it will hold them tightly from 100 down to number 1, and it keeps those in there. Another thing that it has is that this material, it glows in the dark. So you can see that here as I'm in a dark space. I went somewhere where it was completely dark to show you that in action. I don't know when that would be really useful. It is kind of, if you had it clipped onto your bag, you'd at least be able to see your bag in a dark spot to find out where it is. But there's very few times that I know of where I'm probably installing zip ties in pitch dark conditions, and if I'm in that condition, I wouldn't be able to use my tools anyways without a flashlight. So again, it's just a feature on it. I guess it's better than not having it. Don't know exactly when that would be useful, but it's something that's there. So again, yeah, it's a zip tie holder. It's a zip tie organizer. Again, however, if you wanted to put all your zip ties into it and just leave that on a shelf in your garage, or put it up, clip it onto a pegboard or whatever it is, you know, you could easily just do that. Works easy. I don't know how long it'll work. I mean, that's a pretty strong spring, so I'll be curious. But I mean, it's not like I'm going to sit there and do this all day long with it. I'm going to do it every once in a while to load zip ties, and other than that, it stays kind of in this closed position. So let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you've got something that you use to hold your zip ties. I mean, typically in the past, I would just take another zip tie and go around several of them and kind of bunch them together, and then tighten that up as I go to try to keep them together, at least to where if I did pull one out and more came out with it, they'd still stay together instead of throwing all over the floor. But I think this will be useful. I think it's going to work out well for me on my MP1. And again, one of them is $17, but you can get this 2-pack with some zip ties for $25. So I went ahead and bought the 2-pack. I figure I can either just throw one in my drawer with zip ties in it, or maybe I want to clip one on my bag. Maybe I want to give one to a friend, whatever it might be. But I just thought for a few more dollars, I might as well get the 2-pack and some zip ties. But that's the DMTT zip tie holder. And again, I'll put links in the description below. Hope all is well. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you guys on the next video.